Tired of cleaning the litter box like every other day? I know we are. The good folks over at Home Run Pet gifted me this smart cat litter box, model CS106. We're going to get it opened up, whatever assembly there is, we're going to get it assembled and show you what it looks like and give you our thoughts on it. So stick around. Definitely a good sized litter box here.
Okay, first thing we got to do is remove the blue tape. And then, oh, it's got more back here.
There more?
We got to take this off. We got to open this over here. We'll get to that in a minute if you want to. You need to lift this off. I think it's just maybe the top.
Okay.
And then take out this. And this. That's not coming out yet. Okay. Open the dome securing ring.
Yes.
Yeah, lift that. Lift out the dome. Oh, you need to take that out.
Oh, there's some stuff down in here.
And lift the litter reservoir.
Deodorizer gel, poop bag, litter bag, and power adapter.
And
You gotta wait, Gary. Don't use it yet.
Not yet, buddy. Look out. It's wanting us to take it off this. It says, after installing the anti-pinch safety bumper, I guess that's it, firmly press the upper and lower parts of the front door frame and confirm the following points. Oh, there's a red label on top of this that needs to be completely hidden, which it is.
Okay.
So we're good.
So that was already installed for us.
It has like a little grinding wheel.
Here's the gel deodorizer.
Yeah, I don't know sure where that goes yet, but
And the poop bags. They send different types of plugs for different countries.
yeah.
Well, that's cool. So if you live in another country, it's got the different plugs with it. Yep. You got power?
Yeah. Oh, when you completely dump it, you have to take this off.
Oh, okay. Why do you have to take that?
Because
keep
it's
it from
gonna
hanging up?
hit.
Oh, okay.
Okay, ensure proper placement. Okay. Okay. Oh, I don't have any litter.
Okay, what does that green light flashing mean?
It means that now it's
now it's blue.
which means.
Oh, since the cat was in here, the green said it was the cat was finished.
And now it's saying it's detecting a cat. The blue light means it's detecting something near it, so it's stopping.
Oh, because I walked up here.
Yeah. Okay, so get the.
But do we need to put the bags in it first?
No, that's in step 3.
Oh, step 3.
Okay, we need to power it off though. And put the litter in it and then power it on.
So pour the cat litter in that
Pour
big...
it in this big hole.
Okay.
And you can see the max line back there. So just dump it in there and then we'll spread it out.
So pour the cat litter in there and then turn it back on.
Yep. Now we're gonna do the bags. Okay, the gray one goes in here. That may be the QR code to reorder.
The bags.
Yeah, I don't know, but we're gonna stick it right here. I guess it goes like this. It hooks like.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it shows.
Yeah, it's got little clips on the sides here. Right here. You clip that bag on there.
Okay, push that one back in. And oh, you take this off. And then the white bag goes on this side. And there's a warning on here that says not to use black bags, that to order the bags that go with this, because if you get black or dark colored bags, it messes with the functionality.
Good to know.
It probably thinks it's full when it's not.
Oh.
This goes right here.
Oh, it goes in there. Oh. Got a little slot for it.
Because this is the one you're gonna empty. This is where the used litter goes.
Oh, smells good.
Yeah.
Oh, you need your phone
To do the app.
so you can Download the app.
Item not found. I'm gonna have to look it up in the Play Store.
So just do a manual search for it.
Yeah, it tells you. You just search HomeRunPet, all one word. Okay.
There's a lock and an unlock over here on the side panel. Oh, that's so you can clean it out.
Yeah, it's to open.
Manually clean it out. Yeah. It's over here on the side.
Be nice if they. When you try to register the app, remember you have to hit log in with verification code, and that's how you register. Oh, there it is. Okay. In order to connect with the Wi-Fi, you have to be sure the little Wi-Fi thing is flashing. If it's not, you just press the little Wi-Fi button and it'll start flashing. Okay, it's connecting. This could take a while. It's at 20%. Dang it. Oh, successful. Please set the device name. What type of cat litter? Central U.S., Central Time, U.S. and Canada.
Yeah.
Add cat litter.
I'll just have a lot to cut out.
Okay, when we filled it up, we should have put it entrance up.
When we fill it up.
Okay. This button, there's an entrance up. Select entrance up mode to pour litter, then exit the mode. Okay, on the app, it has an opened end up button. You press it.
Whoa.
And it's going to put the hole on top, which will make it much easier to fill.
Now it tells us.
Yeah, now it tells us. Okay, to fill the inner litter reservoir, you're going to add it right here to this little spot. Now the app says the litter reservoir has sufficient amounts in it, so I'm going to put this back.
Oh, okay.
To get it to say reset opening, you have to pull down and update your app. And the same button that said to put the opening up there will turn to make it go back. It's leveling the litter back out.
Oh. Well, did you have to do anything or it's doing it all by
It's doing it on its own.
Oh. Ain't that fancy?
Oh, maybe that just means it's doing something.
Oh yeah, it's putting litter in. I can see a little bit came in.
Yeah, it's dumping it and then weighing it. That's smart. That's cool.
That way, if you don't have it quite full enough, it'll fill it where it's supposed to be. And now it'll probably level again.
And all of this is washable by water except for the main base and the litter reservoir that's inside here. The rest of this you can wash with water. The drawers, the thing that catches the litter in there, the whole drum can be washed, so that's good.
I guess I didn't fill it up enough.
Oh no, it's a long ways from the max line. After adding litter, you have to hold down the reset button, long press the reset button after adding litter manually to the dome.
Oh, okay. Or for that, because it ain't stopping.
It would if he went on past. See, now it is.
So it stopped because there was a cat close.
Yep.
Oh, okay, now it'll continue. Well, We know the safety thing works.
Yep. Well, what's good about this is it's going to be your phone's going to tell you if the drawer gets full. The app is going to tell you if you need to add litter. The app is going to send you notifications for everything. So it's
Self-sufficient.
very self-sufficient.
And that much litter, it'd probably go. How long do you think it'd go?
I don't know how long the waste drawer will go because we haven't used it yet, but I would say that much litter, 3 weeks to a month.
Wow. You just have to clean out the trash bag or take out
Yeah,
the poop
and the
bag.
phone will tell you when it has waste bin level, and see it's still saying that it lacks dome litter level. That's why it's adding.
So the initially getting it all set up takes a while, but once you get it done,
Yeah, it's going to be very little maintenance.
that'd be really good.
Yeah, you don't even have to add litter till it tells you to.
And that's a 20-pound box that we just put it in.
Mm-hmm. It's cleaning now. There's nothing to sift out, but that's what it's doing. If a red light goes to flashing here where this green light is, all the error codes are in the back of it'll tell you the error on the screen, and you can look it up back here and it'll tell you what's wrong and hopefully how to fix it.
I'm just surprised at how quiet that thing is.
Mm-hmm. It also has a night mode where you can set it not to operate at night, but it's not loud at all.
It done doing its thing.
Yep, it's ready for a cat. Okay, the top button is your Wi-Fi button to get it to set up to the app. This one that looks like a lock is a child lock, but the automatic cleaning and stuff, if you turn the child lock on, it's not gonna do anything until you turn the child lock back off. This middle button on the bottom, you long press that to dump all the litter. Like if you're gonna put all new litter in it, that's to dump it. The one that looks like a broom, that's for cleaning. That's just for, like, if you can press that and it'll do a manual clean real quick. And then the top one that looks like a circle is the reset button. And when you add litter to the drum, you need to long press that so it'll do its little reset thing. And that's all. Still says it's low in the dome, but no, it says it's sufficient now.
Oh, sufficient.
I updated the app, and it now said, I pulled down. When I say update the app, that means pull down on it till you see the little kitty cat at the top, and then let go, and see now it says sufficient where it did say lacking.
What is your final
I'm impressed with all the functions that it has. Adding the cat litter manually, weighing the cat. It has a door on the end. Can you open that?
It says unlock.
And you can take that off, and it makes it easier to clean. I mean, it just has a lot of things that I think are going to be very useful. Very useful.
That autofill thing is really cool too.
Mm-hmm. And the phone will tell you when you need more litter. It'll send you a notification.
And didn't you say it tells you when this is dirty or need changing too?
Well, this one.
Okay.
This is the drawer you're going to use. This is where when it cleans, where the dirty litter is going to go.
Okay.
This is the one you're going to clean the most. This one is for when you completely dump the litter. To do a complete reset.
Oh. So when you're dumping all the litter out, it's going to go in this trash.
Yeah, and before you do like your monthly dump of all the litter, you have to take this off because it has to turn all the way upside down. If you don't take this off, it's going to stop right here. So when it's time to fully empty the litter, you have to take the front off.
Is that it?
That's it.
So is it a thumbs up?
I believe so. I give it a thumbs up.
Be a lot less cleaning, that's for sure.
That's for sure.
if you'd like to get one of these for yourself or order it for somebody else because Christmas is coming up, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. Also, if you got any kind of value at all out of the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. And we are Amazon associates, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of our Amazon links, we will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.